Uneven grass growth making your yard look patchy and stressed? Let's talk about how to fix that with some super simple fertilizing tips. Because honestly, nobody wants their lawn to look like a bad haircut, right? So, first up, before you even think about fertilizing, grab a spreader, handheld or push style, whatever works for your yard size. Fill it with the right fertilizer for your grass type, and always check the bag for instructions. Walk in straight lines across your lawn, kinda like mowing, so you're not doubling up or missing spots. Overlap just a little bit each row to avoid those random lines or streaks where grass grows weird. Go slow and steady, don't just rush through it, because rushing ends up with clumps in some places and barely any in others. If you spill fertilizer in one spot, sweep it out with a broom or rake so it doesn't burn the grass there. And dude, don't forget to water lightly after fertilizing. It helps the nutrients soak in without washing everything away. Honestly, consistency is key. Try to fertilize when the weather's good, not when it's super windy or pouring rain. One of the biggest mistakes people make with uneven grass growth from fertilization is using way too much product in some areas and barely any in others, which totally messes up how your lawn looks. To fix this, always measure out the right amount for your yard and use a spreader instead of tossing it by hand. Another common issue is applying fertilizer when the grass is wet or right before a storm, which can cause runoff and waste your money. So always check the weather first and only fertilize when it's dry and calm. The third big problem is not knowing your grass type or using the wrong fertilizer, which can lead to weak spots or yellowing patches. Just look up your grass species and grab the right blend at the store so you're actually feeding it what it needs. BigHomeProjects.com makes it ridiculously easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who actually care about your lawn and want it looking bomb. For contractors, it's an awesome place to get steady work and connect with people who need help making their yards look lush and healthy.